Well, I was looking at inflation and trying to pull up my own numbers to see, hey, how much have prices actually gone up since around 1973 or 50 years ago? And I looked at these things and based off a whole bunch of different prices, the average has went up between 600 and 1,000%, or between 4 and 5% per year.
So you're saying
Meanwhile,
it costs 10 times as much, between 6 times and 10 times.
yep. And then
And
the average income, so that was the prices, how much
right
things
there.
cost to buy.
So if we go back to my dad buying his new Ford F-250, it was a 1980 blue pickup truck. Remember that thing? I learned how to drive in that thing. And he got that for about $10,000. And the pickup truck I bought in 2019 was pretty equivalent to it, and it cost me $60,000. So when you say they went up 6 to 10 times, right there's a perfect example of vehicles. And I don't even want to know. Look at how much. What did you pay for your little Nissan Frontier?
That was, I want to say 50 or 60,000. So
Yeah, I think it was around 50. You can look that up. But still, I can't believe even the smaller trucks are up almost as much as I paid for my full size truck just 4 years ago. Well, it doesn't really matter if the cost of things goes up as long as wages keep up with the cost. How's that working out for us, Devin?
well, the average income has gone up around 550% or a bit more, which is less than, I believe, 4% per year.
So
So
let's
what
break this down. Your income went up 5 times the average income, but stuff costs 10 times more. Or even, breaking it up with the pickup truck example, it costs 6 times more, but your income only went up 5 times. No matter how you look at it, if you saved money, you lost about 85 cents out of every dollar that you put in the bank in 1980. And you are saving money today for your retirement that comes 40 years from now. Look at some of these people. If they're even 45 years old and they retire at 65 and live to 85, for every dollar you put in the bank, if we have the same rate of inflation growth, which we do not, it is getting massively faster. But even if we did as good as we did the last 40 years, you'd only have 15 cents left by the time you died at 85 if you put that whole dollar in the bank today. So why do people still tell their kids to save money?